Hi, my students. Today we're gonna learn a new lesson called Strategies for Addition Facts. If I want to use a mental mass means I don't have a paper and pencil to calculate the addition. How can I use some strategy to do it in my head and without paper and pencil? So the first strategy here, we call it use near doubles. What the meaning near doubles? If, for example, the teacher tell me add 7 plus 8 and I'm not sure, so I'm gonna take a paper and pencil and start to add 7 plus 8, but there is something that I can use it. I can try to use a double, which means the same number if I can. So 7 and 8, I can use 7 and 7. This is a double. But someone tell me this is 8, so that means I need to add 1. Why I'm doing that? Because I know 7 and 7, it's easy number. This is a double of 7. Double of 7, 2 times 7 equal 14. 14 and 1 equal 15. And I reach my goal. If I have, let's say, 8 plus 9. Again, I can think about the double. So I can make 8 plus 8. And after that, I don't forget this is 9, so I have to add 1. And I know that 8 plus 8, this is a double of 8. 2 times 8 is 16. It's very known. So 16 plus 1 equals 17, and so on. So this strategy, we call it near double. If I have an opportunity to create a double, the same number, it's going to be easier for me to find the addition. Another strategy called make 10. If you can reach 10, it's easy number. For example, if I have 7 plus 5, how to reach 10? I know that 7 plus 3 equal 10. But someone will tell me, no, but this is 5. So don't forget to add the 2. Now, because 7 plus 3, it's easy number and I know it's 10, I can say 10 plus 2. And 10 plus 2, because 10 it's easy number, I know right away the answer is 12. Wow, this is good strategy. If I have, for example, 6 plus, let's say, 7, I can say what? 6 to reach 10, I need 4. If I have 6 and 4, it's 10, perfect. But I don't have 4, I have 7, so I don't have to forget the 3. And now 6 and 4, it's easy to remember. This is 10 plus 3. And because 10 it's easy number, when I add it to 3, it's going to be 13. And here we go. I got mentally 6 plus 7. I don't need too much paper. I don't need too much calculation. I can do it with this way, with an easy way. Okay. What else in the addition? You need to know that the order in the addition doesn't have too much effect in the addition only. So that means what? That means if I take any two numbers, 7 plus 2, for example, it's 9. If I switch the order of 2 and 7 and I make it 2 plus 7, it's gonna give me the same number. So the order doesn't affect. And the last property in the addition, and this is very easy one, when I have a number like 9 and I add 0, it will give me 9. 9 plus nothing equal 9. If I have 11 plus 0, it's 11. Because when I add any number to 0, it doesn't change for the numbers. So these are 4 strategies that it's very important for us to remember. If I have an option to make or create a double, if I have an option to create a 10, I know the order doesn't affect, and I know the 0 doesn't change the result. Any number plus 0 equal to the same number. So this is a very small lesson that it can help me to get the mental mass very quickly. Now we're gonna go to the next part, relating addition and subtraction. Someone will tell me, are you sure there is a relation between addition and subtraction? Yes, there is a strong relation between the addition and the subtraction. So let's see what the meaning of that. If I'm saying 3 plus 8 equal to what? We said before, I can create a 10, so I can say if I have the 3, I can break it into 2 and 1, and after that 8. Someone will tell me why you are doing that, because I need to create a 10. I know that 8 plus 2 equal 10, so 10 plus 1 equal 11, which means 3 plus 8 equal 11. Good job. Someone will tell me, if I change the order, 8 plus 3 equal to what? I'm going to say, I'm not going to waste my time to calculate anything, because it's known. It's known that 3 plus 8 equal 11. If I change the order, 8 plus 3 equal also 11. So there is no big change in this case. Excellent. Now, there is something called a relation between addition and subtraction. 8 plus 3 equal 11. If I take the 11 and I subtract from 11 3, it will give me 8. Or if I take the 11 and I subtract from the 11 8, it will give me 3. So the relation is here. When I relate 11 minus 3, I will get 8. Or if I say 11 minus 8, it will give me 3. So you can see there is a relation between the addition and the subtraction. So if someone tell me, I need, let's say 6 minus 2 equal 4. This is subtraction. Now I can do what? I can take the 4, I can add it to the 2, it will give me 6. This is another relation between addition and subtraction. So don't forget, this relation can help us to find missing numbers. For example, if the teacher say 3 plus what equal 12? Uh-oh. The teacher is hiding a number that I can add it to the 3, so to get the 12. So what is the idea here? I can say this is addition. What is the subtraction? I can say if I do 12 minus 3, it will give me this missing number. And I know that 12 minus 3 equal 9. So now I can check my answer. Is 3 plus 9 equal really 12? Yes. So from here you see that the relation between the subtraction and the addition is very strong. It can help us to find missing number. So I hope that you understood these two small lessons. Lesson number 1, the strategy how I can add mentally without using the paper and pencil, and the other one, what is the relation that I can use between the addition and the subtraction. Thank you for listening.